Wow, that's great view! Hi excellent kids! Welcome back to Excellent English video. Okay, now our lesson today is about living room tour. So, let's get started. I will knock the door. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
May I come in?
Of course, come please.
Thank you.
Welcome to my living room. Well, in this occasion, I'd like to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before I describe my things in my living room, I invite you all to recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Well, now I wanna describe my things in my living room. The first thing is brown sofa, and I like to sit on brown sofa. The second thing is pillow. It's so soft, and I use pillow when I sit on brown sofa. Okay, the first thing is brown sofa. The second is soft pillow. Next, the third thing, I have flower vase. I put flower vase on the table to make this room beautiful. Okay. The fourth thing is beautiful painting. I decorate my room with beautiful painting on the wall. Beautiful painting on the wall. Okay, next, the last thing. The last thing is behind this room. Okay, let's go. It's TV. TV is big, and I call it big TV. I watch movie, cartoon on TV. So our lesson today is describing the things in the living room. I hope you can practice at your home. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Let's close our lesson today by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video, class 4. Bye bye.